Right now we're attempting to go back with the new shingle. Still using the State Farm and Allstate approved roof snake. This shingle just got damaged from the roof snake. We are going to continue, but we're trying to replace that shingle. We're using the roof snake properly by putting the nail in here and then nailing down so we don't lift up the shingle any higher than we need to. This shingle just got damaged here now from the roof snake. We're going to continue. This shingle just got damaged now. It just got delaminated. So now this shingle needs to be replaced and this shingle needs to be replaced in the attempt to repair. At this point, we're going to stop the video and consider this one a fail.